My name is Amir Zekrgoo. I'm a professor in the International Institute of Islamic Thought and Civilization in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I've been here for nearly 20 years now. Since this talk is about the Persian Academy, let me begin with my own name. My last name is Zekrgoo. Zekr comes from the Arabic term zikr, which means invocation or prayer, and goo is the person who says it. So a person in constant prayer or constant invocation of God will be a Zekrgoo. So we are coming from a family of, I would say, spiritual Sufi people, and I'm an artist and art historian, and what I'm doing now at the present time, my responsibility is doing research on Persian manuscripts that are kept here at ISTAC. What I have in my hand is a manuscript, handwritten manuscript of Tuhfatul Ahrar by Jami. This is interesting. Well, of course, this manuscript, the poetry, has been published. But when you study a manuscript, not just as a book of its content, but as a cultural object, then a whole new aspect comes to it. It comes the scribe, the handwriting, the beautiful illumination, and sometimes towards the end of the manuscript, the scribe gives his name and the date and the place of writing this. In this specific book, it has been scribed in Pakistan. And the previous manuscript of Sadi that I used to do was handwritten in India. So when we talk about Persian, we are not talking about Iran only. We are talking about the great cultural domain of civilization, which includes Iran, Pakistan, Afghanistan, India, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, some of the Central Asian countries. In fact, many of these people, like people of India, scholars of India, they cannot have a thorough understanding of their own history unless they can read Persian. So I hope you're encouraged to continue with this Persian language, not only because it's functional, but it's also very beautiful. خیلی ممنونم. امیدوارم همه شما علاقهتون رو به زبان فارسی و خط قشنگ فارسی و شعر فارسی ادامه بدید. موفق باشید. خداحافظ شما.